after I show y'all this next tool, I don't want to hear nothing about you not getting on YouTube, because this is going to be a game changer when it comes to editing videos. If you're like me, you have all these pauses and all of these filler words in your content, then come with me and I'm going to show you how to use Capcut's transcription-based editing services, a new and improved way to edit your videos. Now, just to be clear, this is not a new service overall. I first was introduced to this service through Descript, but paying for that hasn't really made sense to me yet. Loom also has it, and I wasn't really fond of their transcription-based service, so Capcut seems to be the best one so far. This is going to help you to edit your YouTube videos literally in one click. So let's go ahead and get into Capcut and I'll show you how to use this service. So I'm using Capcut on a desktop and I was getting ready to trim down my Loom video because Loom's transcription-based editing isn't my favorite. Hopefully they'll improve on that later. So I just brought it into Capcut because Capcut is so much quicker. You can either go on the website and use the desktop program there, or you can download Capcut on your computer, import your video file, and bring it to the timeline. This is a new update. Before, it was only available when you go to the website. This is like a game changer. I am going to be shelling out videos now. This is so simple. All you have to do is click transcription-based editing. It's going to take a couple moments. I already did it, so it loaded pretty fast here. But it's going to take a couple moments and it's going to transcribe all of your video. And what you can do from here, instead of the old school cut in each piece on the timeline, you can now, first of all, they have an option where it can remove the filler words for you, remove any pauses, remove any hesitations, any repetition that you've done. For any of these, you might want to look over it. It has 95 of them in my video. You could choose to remove them all and click the delete button, and it's going to delete all of those pauses, hesitations, and the parts of the videos where I repeated some. As you can see, it removed all of those and you'll see them striked out. And you'll have the option to restore them back to the timeline if you figure that's a mistake or you need that portion in the video. This helps to cut down the video so much. Now you can spend time just editing the creative parts of your video. You'll probably have to do a few adjustments here and there because it's not completely on point. But like I said, I just imported this video from Loom, so obviously it's better than a lot of other applications that are out there. There are other options as well, Descript. I haven't used it in a couple of months, but it was okay as well. But I already use Capcut for all of my YouTube editing, so it's my go-to. Now that they've added this, I'll definitely be using it a lot more. Highlight the portion of the video. You can preview it by hitting the space bar. In today's world, social media can be a whole bunch of fluff and superficial. Press space bar again to pause it. Say I didn't want this in there, I could just press delete on the keyboard or press delete here and it'll remove that whole portion from the video. This is a game changer. If you've been wanting to create YouTube videos and editing gets on your nerves, I'm pretty sure if you use this service, you will be cranking out YouTube content. You better be. I better be. So if y'all don't see me posting YouTube content, I need y'all to go ahead and send me a message, get me together, because this is a game changer. A lot of people have their holdbacks on AI, but I am all for it because this is what I do on a daily. This makes my job so much easier. As you can see, I went ahead and restored that back to the timeline because I do want that in there. And then from there, you'll be able to edit your video as normal. Hopefully, I want to make sure that I get up here and tell you all about a lot of the tools that I use on a daily, because I'm here to work smarter, not harder, and go from being this starving artist to a thriving creator. And a part of that is making great use of your time by using these different tools, these different systems, automating your business. And hopefully Capcut is one of those tools that you'll go ahead and add to the list. And I'm not really sure if this is included in the free version, but the subscription is a very low cost a month, and I think it is well worth it. I told y'all it was a game changer. Are you going to use it for your business? This is also available on mobile. That's something I didn't mention. I better see y'all YouTube videos. It's no excuse. As solopreneurs and small creators, we don't have to have a team. It would be nice to be able to hire a team, but there are tools and systems out there that can help you run and manage a business like you have a team. And AI, if you're against it, I need you to open up and not let this moment pass you by, because everybody around us is using it and it's not going to stop. It's not going anywhere. It's only going to get bigger. It's only going to get greater. So take advantage of it while you can. Let me know if you're going to use Capcut's transcription-based editing. And if you have any questions, I'll definitely create another video for you. Like and subscribe if this was helpful. Share it with a creator, biz best friend. Let them know about Keisha Andrea Create, your favorite brand and content strategist, and how I make space for creatives like us to create thriving businesses and have that balance between our work life and our creative life. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. I love y'all. Peace.